Yeah, hello. Hello, everyone. Can you all see me? Good evening, everybody. Please use the comments, use the chats. Let me know if you can see me. Can you all see my face? Can you all see me? Can you all hear me? Please comment so I can see. You are all welcome. Please comment if you can see and hear me, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're all welcome, guys. I'm so happy to see all of you. Thank you. Thank you all for joining. Let's just wait for more people to join us, okay? Then we start. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all for making out time to join. You are all welcome. I can see all your comments. Yeah, good evening to you too, George. Good evening, Stephen. Yes, thank you. You see, this is a better platform than Zoom. It can hold all of us. There will be no distractions this time around. So, as you're joining, please do away with anything that is going to distract you. Do away with every distraction, please. Thank you, Mr. Ubani. Yes, do away with anything that is going to distract you, please. Make sure you get a pen and a paper or a book so that you can write or jot down things that I'm going to say. There are about 36 people with us here. Let's just wait and see if we can get to maybe 50 people, then we can start. Hmm. For my international people, this is what they call they just took the light now. Mm, I'll have to make arrangements for the generator, so I'll be right back, please. Just stay with me, I'll be right back. I'll be right guys. I'll be right back, please. It's off. I've off it. It's off. Mm. So, guys, sorry for that break in transmission. That is how it is living in Nigeria. So I'm back, guys. So those people from Ghana and other parts of the world, you can see that's how we roll here. You can see me now. Hope you guys can hear me. Yes, yes. Hope you guys can hear me. Nothing is going to stop this class today. Yes, we have 40 persons here now. Yeah. Yeah, so welcome to Nigeria. Okay, yes. Yes. Um, So let's see if yes, yes, yes. Yes, you are all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. It's a pleasure to have you all here. You're all welcome. Electricity is not reliable here, so you must have a backup power. Okay, okay, okay. Um, we'll be starting soon. Let's just wait for more people to join. We'll soon start. Yes, we have about 45 persons here now. Yes, as you're joining, just as you're joining, please get something you can use to write with. Do away with every distraction. You all are welcome. Comments here are so funny. Yes, so NEPA with their problem. Oh, if you don't have generator, sorry for you. You're all welcome, guys. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. I can see all your comments. You're all welcome. And we'll be starting soon. Let's just wait for more persons to join. You're all welcome. Welcome, guys. Yeah, welcome. Thank you for joining. Yes, yes, so you don't land. You're welcome. So sorry about that, Judge. Sorry about that. Okay, I think we have a reasonable number of persons here. Let's see if more people will still join. We are starting. We've started already, in fact. We have started. Oh. Okay, guys, we have about 55 persons here, so let's just go ahead and start. So, you guys are all welcome. Thank you for making out time, even though we had to reschedule because of some of the challenges we had last time. So, thank you all for still making it a date with me today. I promise you it's going to be a very wonderful training. So, I hope you all can hear me, or should I increase the volume? Thank you. Thank you for the compliments, Joseph. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for all the compliments. So, okay, for everyone that is here, you are all welcome. We are going to start right now. Okay, okay, we are going to start right now. So, for those who are just seeing me or meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy Okeke. I am a e-commerce entrepreneur. Yes, I've been selling products online for over 5 years now. Yes, I am a mom. I have two boys. Yes, I also teach about business. I teach about finance, personal finance, investing. I share tips on all of that, and I've been able to teach several people. So, before we go fully into what we are here for, I'm just going to give you a um, brief story about how I got into the world of stocks. Yes. So I started hearing about stocks like um, since 2013, 2014, but I didn't really understand what they were. I didn't know anything about it. It was when I actually read a book by Robert Kiyosaki. I don't know if all of you have read that book. It's called Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, very lovely book. So it was when I read that book, excuse me, that I got to hear about the word stock for the first time. So I didn't really pay much interest to it because I didn't know what it meant. So about 4 years ago, I came across a post on social media. I don't know which of the platform it was. So they were talking about how you can invest your money in top global companies like the US, in the US, even in Nigeria here. So I picked interest in it, and it's one of those things that you just see online now. Let me just try it. So I said, let me just try this thing. I downloaded the apps, I registered on it, put money into it, and I bought my first stock that day. So uh, I actually just bought the stock to test the platform. Unlike I wanted to start investing. So I just got it that day, and that was it. I didn't even open the app again. So I forgot about it actually. Then one day I wanted to I needed space on my phone. So I wanted to delete the app. I was going to delete it. Then I remember that I actually put money inside this app. Oh, let me go and withdraw my money. So on getting there, on opening the app, I was surprised. I could remember I put in about $10 there. That was when dollar was still 350, 370. So I was so surprised when I was opening the app. I was not seeing like them. I think I was seeing about 15 or $16. I can't really remember anymore. But I know that the money increased, and I was shocked. I was surprised. I was like, wow, is this how this thing works? This is wonderful. Like, this is money I didn't even work for. Okay, I just put my money into one particular company, and I didn't even bother myself about it. I didn't even do any extra work, and see what I have been able to get in return. And I decided to get more knowledge about it. It wowed me, honestly. I started wondering why people don't like share this kind of information often, because honestly, um this information is not really out there. People are not aware. So many people don't know that you can invest in some of the companies you see around you. Okay, solid businesses. I'm not talking about Mama Nkechi's shop in your street, though. Please, that's not what I'm talking about, though. I'm talking about businesses, big corporations that are run by professionals. Okay, those are the kind of investments I'm talking about. Those are the kind of companies I'm talking about. I not say you should go and invest in your auntie's business, so please, so that they don't eat your money. Invest in big companies, companies that you patronize. You see their products all around you. Dangote Cement, UBA Bank, you use UBA, MTN, you buy MT, you are using MTN SIM here, you are using Airtel. Yes, you can buy their stock. You now become part owner of MTN. That's just how it works. When you buy MTN stock, you are now part owner. When they are holding share meeting, what's it called? Uh, their annual general meeting, you'll be invited now. You are not a shareholder. When they are holding shareholders meeting, they will invite you. That's what it means. You are an investor in the business. You have a stake in that business. So that was how I got started in stocks. Okay. I just bought it, and it started increasing in value. The value started increasing, and I didn't look back from then till now. I've been putting my money there, and I've been getting great rewards, honest. And I've taught so many people how to do it, and that is what I'm going to do today. So just stay tuned to the end of this training. I also have a free bonus and an offer for all of you. I have a bonus for those who are going to stay to the end of this training. Yes, that will help you get started in the world of stocks. So very soon now, I'm going to be sharing my slides with you so that we can just pick the points from there. So please pay attention, and then at the end of the class you can ask me any question that you any challenge you're having or any question you want to ask me, you can drop them for me. So let me share my slide. Please let me know if you can hear me. Oh. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me, please. So so can you all see my slide? Can you all see my slide, please? I just shared my slide with you now. Please let me know if you can see it. Okay. 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 Uh, so first of all, we are going to cover what are stocks. I'm going to explain to you what stocks are. So let me know if you have an idea about what stocks are. Can you just indicate in the chat if you have an idea of what stocks are? Just indicate in the chat. Yes, please indicate in the chat if you have an idea of what stocks are. Um, I said if you have an idea of what stocks are, please indicate. Okay, I think I'm going to make the slides. Okay, okay. Some people have an idea. Okay, so for those that don't have an idea about what stocks are simply a piece of a company. That is your share of ownership in a company. Okay, when you put money into a company, you become a shareholder. You now own a part of that company. You are now one of the decision makers of that company. It's like um let's say you like own a stock, it means you own parts. You own something. You know, when you put money there, you are now part owner. You are now oga. I don't know if you can understand me. When they want to vote in all these companies, like maybe they need a new CEO or anything, you can vote. You are now a stakeholder in that company. So that's just what stocks are all about. Okay, owning a part of a company and investing that your money gives you a share of ownership in that company. Yes. So the stock market is like a place where stocks are traded. Okay, like a normal market where people go to buy and sell. That is what the stock market is. It's a place where stocks are traded. But instead of buying physical goods and services that you can see, they are now trading stocks. That is what the stock market is. They are now trading stocks. So there are different kind of stocks, which I'll be sharing some of them with you, and the different ways you can earn from stocks. Okay, so there are growth stocks. We also have blue chip stocks. Also, we have dividend stocks. So dividend stocks are just stocks that you buy, and they will be paying you dividends periodly. It could be monthly. It could be maybe every 3 months they pay dividend, because dividend is like a share of the profits, that the company has made. Let's say in January, let's take Dangote for instance. Let's say Dangote made 10 million naira profits, and they say, oh, okay, oh, we want to share a part of this profits with our shareholders, with our stockholders. Okay, they are going to like bring about come up with the ratio they are going to use in sharing it. So it also depends on the amount you invested. Yes, the value of your share is also going to determine the amount of dividend you are going to receive. So that's just what dividend stocks are. They are stocks. Not all companies pay dividends. Please take note. Not all companies pay dividends. Some companies don't. Some companies only, like, it's only when the price of their stock increases in value, that is when you make money. But some of them actually are so, they are so generous enough that when they make so much profit, they want to share it with their investors. Like, thank you for investing in our business. This is your own share of our profit, of the profit we made. Okay, that's what dividend stocks are. So there are also growth stocks. These are stocks of companies with very big capitalization. Let's take, for instance, Facebook, which is Metal. Um, Also Dangote. Yes, Dangote is also a growth stock because they are always, their stocks are always growing. So also, the other way you can make money from the stock market is capital appreciation. Okay, when the price of a stock increases, okay, that is, the value of the stock increases, your money also increase, and you can choose to withdraw your profit or reinvest it. Okay, I hope you're understanding me. I hope you're understanding me. Yes, I will have to summarize. We don't have a lot of time. Yeah, I hope you are getting me. I hope you just got these few points about what the stock market is. Okay, so I'm going to move to the next slide. So, 5 things you must do before you invest in stocks. You need to set out clear objectives. Okay, be clear about what you want to achieve with your investments. Be clear about the amount you are going to be investing. Okay, know your risk tolerance, know how much you can afford to invest per time. Okay, that is one. Then you should also have an emergency fund. Who's calling me? You should also have an emergency fund before investing. Okay, make sure you have an emergency fund. Don't go and pack all the money you have and go and put into stocks, please. That's not how it is done. Don't go and pack all the money you have and put in in stock. Make sure you have funds for your needs. Okay, the money that should be invested is money that you don't have any use for. That's the money you should be investing. Okay, you should also have a long-term goal, a long-term perspective when you are investing in the stock market. Okay, you should have that mentality of you are doing this for the long term. You don't invest in stocks today and start expecting returns tomorrow. That's not how it is done. Okay, you allow your money to grow over time. You allow your investment to grow over time. Yes. Then the next one is you must be disciplined, and then you must diversify your portfolio. Discipline means that you should not put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different sectors of the economy, that is, in different sectors of stocks. Invest in different companies. Don't just invest in one company. Put all your money in that one company. Okay, don't do that, please. Invest your money in different areas, different companies. I hope you all understood that. Okay, so these are some of the rules of investing. Please, you do not borrow money to invest. Don't take money for somebody to invest. Also, do not invest money you will be needing immediately. Okay? Any money that you need, like maybe you have an urgent need, but you don't need that money immediately. And you say, okay, let me just put it into this stock. Like I said before, money invested in stock is money you don't have any use or any need for. Okay, so don't go and invest money that you are going to be needing immediately. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't You're not a good investor when you do that. Money invested in stock, you should have budgeted it and say, this is the amount I'm going to be investing in stock monthly. Okay, It's not that you invest today and then you pull out the money tomorrow. That's not how it works, okay? So also do not invest based on your emotions. I hope you understand what that means. Don't also, when the market is down, please do not panic and sell your stock. Don't be scared. The stock, especially when you're investing in solid companies, this market always recovers. I can remember when Russia wanted to attack, everywhere was red. But today, all the stocks are doing well now. Okay, when Russia wanted to attack Ukraine, so many companies stocks went down, but before you know it, everything went back up. So the market will always react to news. Okay, so also don't try to time the market. As an investor, as someone who is investing in the long term, don't try to time the market. Okay, don't try to say, hey, the stock is down now, let me rush and buy. Nothing concern you with that one. All you should be after is, at the end of every month, you put this amount into your investment. You are growing your portfolio, you're growing your investment, and that is how, with the power of compound interest, your interest will be increasing, your money will be increasing. I hope you're understanding me, please. Also, do not ignore market trends, please. If you're understanding, if you're getting what I'm saying, please just be typing it for me, please. Also, do not ignore market trends. Know what the market is saying so that you know where to move, how to move, what to buy. Okay. Um, then yes, these are some of the apps you can use to buy stocks. I hope you can see them. We have number one here, Bamboo. We have the next one called Trove. We have Rise Vest. We have Chaka. Okay. All these apps are all available on the App Store. Yes, just go to App Store or the Apple Store and download them. Then follow the steps to register, deposit money. Don't worry, your money is safe. You don't have anything to worry about. Your money is safe. Just deposit money and start investing. So, how to buy and sell your stock is still with those apps, okay? Those apps that I just called in the previous slides. On them, you will see the option to buy, you will see the option to sell. Okay, so it's a very simple process. It's a very simple process. But those who are going to like needing more advanced training, I will actually register a video to show them. I'll be doing a video to show them the exact way to buy and sell. Okay. So what are ETFs? ETFs are called exchange traded funds. Okay. They are stocks that track the performance of some sectors or index in the stock market. Okay, just think about it this way. ETFs are like smoothies. Like a smoothie is a mixture of fruits. When you want to make a smoothie, you bring apple, you bring banana, you bring watermelon, you bring different fruits, abi, and then you now blend it together. It will now become one, a smoothie, and then you drink it, right? That is what ETFs are. ETFs are a mix of different companies put together to form one stock. So instead of buying individual stocks, you can buy an ETF. So it's like you now have a tiny stake in all of the companies in that ETF. Okay, please, if you can't see the write-up, please just listen to me, okay? If you can't see it, listen to me. Thank you. So you now have like a taste of all the fruits. That is what an ETF is. Okay? Um, I don't think we've gotten here. Okay, yes. So we are moving on to mutual funds, bonds, and yes. So a mutual fund is simply a pool of money that is managed by a professional fund manager. Yes, it is a trust that collects money from a number of investors, and they whom all share a common goal. Okay, first of all, they must all have a common goal, which is to invest and make money. So that's just basically what mutual funds are. And then bonds are fixed income investment that are issued by the government, or even, yeah, big companies. Yes, they also give out bonds that you can just invest in, and they mostly do that when they want to raise money. So it's like when you buy their bond, it's like you are giving them a loan. They collect your money and then they give you that bond, which is like a contract. Okay, they are going to pay you a specific amount of money after the lease. Okay, I hope you got me. I hope you're understanding me. So that is basically what bonds are. So investing in the stock market is not as difficult as many people think it is. It is very, very easy. And there are so many other low risk investment like mutual funds, like bonds, just that their what's it called, their return on investment is not as high as that of when you are investing in stocks. Okay, there are stocks that can give you that has given up to 300 to 500% return on investments. I hope you're understanding me. Yes, there are stocks that can give you that. I think Dangote has given up to 300% increase in the last 1 year. So imagine you put 100K into Dangote, let's say last year till now, 300, calculate it and know how much you would have gotten. So that is just what it is. Okay. Also, when you are investing, make sure about cheaper cash. Okay, please, um don't worry, I will share those apps. If you can't use Trove, you can use Bamboo. Let me see if I can increase. So can you all see the screen now? Can you all see my slides now? Okay, I can't put it that way. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make the slide more bold so that everybody can see. Okay. Okay. So they are saying, you guys are saying it's clear now. So I'm just going to leave it like this, please. Let's continue. So I think I have covered all of that. So you can now ask me your questions. I'm just going to take a few questions. Um, oh my god, it's blurry. If I should make this this slide bigger, I won't be able to see your comments. Hmm? If I should make it bigger, I won't be able to see your comments. That's just the thing now. Just drop your questions for me. I will answer them. I will answer them. Hmm? I will explain them so you can hear me. Okay, Amaka said it's not blurry. I think it's network. If it's blurry on your end, I think it's network. Okay, please just if you have any question, you can just drop them for me and I will answer them. If you have any question you want to ask, drop it for me. Let me answer them for you. So, investments in stocks and mutual funds and bonds and also foreign real estate is what you should be doing. Okay, if you have even you can even do this for your unborn kids. Okay, you can do this for your unborn kids. You can start investing in stocks on their behalf. You can start buying stocks in their name right now. All right. It's not hard now. Okay, which stock? Let me take one of these questions. Which stock can you earn monthly, please? Okay, those kind of stocks are called dividend stocks. Okay, if you join the advanced training, I'm going to be sharing some of them with you. I'm going to be sharing some of them with you. Those are stocks that there are some companies that pay you monthly. They pay you every month. When they make profits, they pay you monthly. I just said they are dividend stocks. Do you need to look at the balance sheet of a firm? Okay, to start, please just download Bamboo. Download Bamboo, please. Bamboo is very easy to use. It has a very easy user interface. To do that for your unborn, to invest in stocks for your unborn kids is very easy. All you have to do is to create an account, um start depositing money there. You can make it every month, you can make it weekly. Just make sure you do it consistently and then watch that money grow. um, yes, yes, you can invest in, okay, Zainab, yes, you can invest in foreign stocks. That's what I'm talking about here. You can invest in foreign stocks, you can invest in Nigerian stocks. I have stocks in, I have stake in Metal. I have a stake in Tesla. I have all my favorite companies, all these companies that I use. I have I can proudly say I'm a shareholder. Yes, I'm company owner. Even though I don't do anything. I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is to put my money there. Let my money work for me. This is what it means to make your money work for you. Okay? You are not leaving your money in the bank for the bank to be deducting their stupid deductions from it, and then inflation will be eating the money will not even have the full value it had when you first deposited it into that account. But when you put it into stock, okay, it will be increasing in value. It will be increasing in value, and over time, with the power of compound interest, you'll be wondering how come you have made so much money. That is why it is better to put your money into stocks than leaving them in your account. Okay, it's like you sending your money on an errand. Go and work and make money for me. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do any other thing. Just put your money there and focus on your business. Okay, this is what the rich do. The rich invest. They invest massively. The likes of Dangote, he has stakes in other companies. Do you think it's just Dangote cement and Dangote sugar? Even the likes of Otedola, Tony Elumelu, they invest in companies. Okay. I think there is, yes. Is there an app for investment in foreign? Yes, there is. There is an app for investment in foreign estates. Um, what is what is what's the minimum to start stock trading? Please, I'm not talking about trading here. I don't trade. I invest for the long time, for long term. Okay, Samuel, please, I don't trade. I'm not involved in trading. I don't trade stocks. I invest and just continue putting my money there over time, and it compounds for me. I don't trade. That is trading daily. I don't do it. Okay. It's when you start investing in stocks, it will get to a point where your stocks will be paying you. Okay, you will not even need to work. Like, I can remember when I wanted to buy my car, the money was not really complete. It was the money that I got from some of my stocks investment that I used in completing and purchasing my car. So you can do this. Okay, just put, it's better than leaving money in the bank. I want people to get this. When you invest, you are putting your money to work. Your money is going out there to work for you. Funny enough, these banks you are depositing your money is into, most of them invest in the stock market. They do business with your money. They invest your money. They don't just leave it in a vault or leave it somewhere. They put the money to work immediately. Okay, that is why they want you to keep on bringing money for them. They want you to be bringing money. If you go to the bank, they won't tell you about stocks. So they will tell you, come and open savings account, because that's how they make money. That's how they get money. They don't promote stocks and the rest. They don't promote other investment, even mutual funds. They don't promote them. Like I got to know that Stanbic Bank has a mutual fund and I have an account with them. They never told me. Even when I went to the bank to make inquiries, they were just like, they didn't even want me to put it, because this is something that I will be making money, I will be getting returns from it. They didn't even want me to like do it. So me, I just left it for them and I invested in some in other things. So that's just how the whole thing works. Okay, so I think I've taken enough questions. I think I've taken a lot of question already. So that for those that want to like go further, get more insight, and also be a part of my community. Yes, I have an offer for all of you. All you have to do is just to these are some of the things okay. Yes, this is the free bonus. Yes, yes, yes. These are the free stock to invest in 2024. I hope you can see them. Oh, I hope you can see them. Amazon, Tesla, Metal. These are foreign ones. PayPal, Apple. Okay, and then these are Nigerian stocks to invest in. I have Transcorp here. I have Wema. I have Dangote Cement. I have MTN. I have BUA. So write them down and you can go and invest in them when you have the free time. Just it's not difficult. Just log on to apps like Bamboo, register on it, deposit money, and then just look for any of these stocks and invest in them. Okay, so this is the offer I have for all those of you who want more in-depth advanced training, those that are ready to like take their stocks investment to the next level. You want to build wealth in the stock market, then this offer is for you. You're going to learn how to spot stocks before they blow up. You're going to learn how to invest in foreign real estate and earn monthly returns. Also, you're going to learn 5 ways you can be saving in dollars and earn extra income. You'll be learning 10 foreign stocks that you can invest in for massive gains in 2024. You're going to learn how to invest in commercial papers and other amazing investment opportunity. Okay, there are so many things for you to benefit here. So um all you have to do to gain access is just to pay in the sum of 10,000 naira into my account details below. Yes, it's see what you are going to be getting is way, way, way more than this amount. And this offer is only open for the first 20 people. So once I've gotten the number of persons I need, I am going to close it. So you can just start signing in. Please, if you make payment, just indicate here on the chat. I have some new. Please indicate here. So this is for all those who are interested in taking their finances serious. You want to start investing more. You want to know the right things to invest in. You want to know the right companies to invest in. You want to be a part of a community where there are people who are investing like you. When you're part of a community and when you have that knowledge, it is different from when you are just doing it on your own. So if this sounds like what you want, then here is how to gain access for it. I promise you, There are so many things that you're going to get, so many bonuses that I have added, because I can't put everything on the screen. So please, 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 if you're interested, just go ahead and pay and indicate to me here that you have paid, and my assistant will help me in confirming your payment. So I will still be taking some of your questions, so you can just drop them. Okay, what's the minimum amount to start the stock investment? That is, the funny thing is, you can actually start investing with as low as 5,000 to 10,000 naira. That's one thing many people don't know. You can start investing with as low as 5,000 to 10,000 naira. Okay, if you can do this consistently every month, you will be surprised at how much you'll be able to, like, um put together in a stock or in the different stocks you're going to be investing in. You don't need to be a millionaire, you don't need to have all the money in the world to invest. Start investing with what you have. Don't wait until you have all the money in the world. Start now and start doing it monthly. You can do it monthly, you can do it weekly. Start doing it consistently. Remember, I started with just $10. As at then, $10 was about 3,500 naira. Today, I have grown my portfolio to, in fact, the amount I see in my portfolio. I used to wonder if I'm the one that have this money, because it used to shock me. But I started with a very small amount. What gingered me was the return. When I deposited that $10, and I was like, just look at under how many weeks, see interest that I have on this money. If I had left this money in the bank, I wouldn't have gotten chingbai. They will not give me. Instead, they will be withdrawing my money. So I feel that it is common sense, and so apart from that, so many people don't have all this information, but now we have access to this information. Before you can invest in the stock market, you needed to go and look for a stockbroker, but all those bottlenecks have been destroyed now with just um sorry about that, guys. Now with just your app, because of technology advancement, with just your app right now, you can invest from anywhere in the world. Okay, you can invest from anywhere in the world, and you'll be seeing your stocks in real time. Hey, the account details is not clear. Okay, please, I will drop the information in the group. I will drop the information in the group. Please, what's the minimum amount to buy? Okay, okay, let me call the account number. You can make payments into 3090274416. My name is Amawe Joy Efeogene, First Bank. I hope you had me. 39, I mean 3090274416. First Bank. Okay, it costs just 10,000 naira. Um, I'm going to be taking just 20 people, so make sure you are among that 20. Okay. Okay, Amaka. I'm going to check your payments. Okay, one person has just paid, so we have 19 more persons to go. Please know that once I get to people, I'm going to close the offer. Yes, Amaka, I've seen your payments. Yes, for those who are outside Nigeria, I don't know why this thing. Hold on, please. I'm going to bring back the slide again. Just need to know what's going on. Sorry for that, please. I'm trying to bring back the slide again. It's not coming up the way it's supposed to come up. Still the same thing. Slide. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I'm trying to like bring up the slides properly. So I'll be dropping the link you can use to pay for those who are outside Nigeria. Okay, just send me a DM. If you have made payments, just send me a DM on WhatsApp, okay? Yes, so we have two persons now. What's the minimum amount? I said it before. You can invest with as low as 5,000 to 10,000 naira. Okay, yeah, you're already a part of, you're already in the new group. Yes, you're already in the group, okay? So we are just trying to onboard more people. Go back. Juliet! Where is your daddy? He's in the room. Babe! No, mommy, please come and carry capsule. Maybe it's for my head. It can even fit in me. You must go. Close the door. Please close the door. Okay, yes, someone else just made payment. So we've gotten three persons now, yeah? Uh, Let me see, what of those the lecture will soon end. We don't have a lot of time, oh. Increase your limit. How long will it take before you start getting? Please, when you are invest with the mindset of um long term, that you are doing this for the long term. Okay, you are not just going to invest today and start expecting returns tomorrow. Please, all those kind of investments are Ponzi scheme. Okay, I can remember there was a time I joined one group like that. They were talking about investments, and I joined this group, and the next thing I know, people were like, yes, I pay 5,000 naira to get 10,000 naira. That's just how the thing was going. So I joined the group as someone that knows about investments now. Please, can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? As someone that knows about, please check in the group. I just dropped the link. Please check in the group, okay? I just dropped the link for international payments. If you're outside Nigeria, please, even if you want to pay with crypto, yes, I have a crypto account. I just dropped that. I'll drop that information now. I don't know what's wrong with my slides. It's not coming up the way I prepared it. So everything is just scattered. I'm tired of checking and checking. Okay, we have about 5 persons now. See, make sure you are a part of this 20 persons. So, um, yes. So, So I'm so sorry. It's already almost 9 p.m. I hope you all enjoyed the class. No, these are companies that are going to stand the test of time. They are see most of the businesses on the stock exchange. They are business that have lasted for generations. They have been there even before you were born. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry about with the right strategies in place. Lai, Yakubu Mohammed, please check on the stock group. On the group, I have dropped a link you can use in paying. Okay, I have dropped a link. No, I'm not guaranteeing you all round roses. There is no investment in the world that doesn't have risks. Okay, bringing out your money to put in a business is a risk already on its own. So, as someone who wants to invest, you should have this in mind. You are taking a risk. It is not going to be all rosy. Like I said, the stock market goes up and it comes down. It doesn't stay in one place that you just be making money. It's not possible now. It will go up and it will come down. It will go up and it will come down. But all you just have to be know and be sure about is that your money is safe. These are businesses that are being run by professionals. Okay, they are going to be here for generations. All right, so I want you to get these points of mind. Start investing now. Don't wait until it's too late to start investing. Please start investing now. Start investing now. Please start it now. Start investing now. It is very important. You owe yourself that responsibility. You can't continue working and working and working. You can't work forever. Think about it. You can't work forever. You cannot. Nobody can. At a point, you will get tired, you will be weak, and you will be old. So how do you survive at that point in life? How do you survive? You need your assets. Your assets are supposed to be able to pay you when you are weak and old, when you can't work anymore. Okay? Yes, I'm seeing your payments. Yes, I am seeing your payments. The bonuses. Okay, um so these are companies you can invest in. I hope you can see them. George, Amazon for foreign stocks. Amazon is there, Tesla, Metal, PayPal, excuse me, please. Apple. For Nigerian stock, we have Transcorp, we have Wema, we have Dangote, we have MTN, we have BUA. I hope you can see them. Okay, there are so many books that you can read about stocks. Okay, the number one book I recommend is both on personal finance and it's by Robert Kiyosaki. It's called Rich Dad's Guide to Investing. Also, you can read The Richest Man in Babylon. There are so many of them. You can just research books on investments. And one of the books that helped me um, to really understand what stocks are is a very simple book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Yes. So, guys, thank you all so much. For those who are making payments, please, I think I have gotten about yes, we have about 10 sign-ups now. So we have just 10 more spots to go. We have 10 more spots to go. So if you're interested in paying, because if you're interested in getting being a part of the advanced class, then this is the um, details you can use for payment. So we are going to call it a day now. This is 9 p.m. already. I do hope that you learned something today and that you enjoyed the class. I hope you learned something. I hope you've been able to get knowledge. I hope I've been able to pass across this information effectively. Okay, okay. Please send me a DM. Once you made payment, please send me a DM. Please send me a DM on WhatsApp. Yes, we have 11 persons now. Once you make payment, please send me a DM. Okay. So you can check on the group for the link to pay internationally for those outside Nigeria. The link to pay internationally is in the group. Okay. You can pay with seller, or if you want to pay with crypto, you want to send me USDT. You just check in the group for my email address. So we are going to call it a day. We are going to call it a day, please. I am so tired. I hope you all enjoyed the class. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned something. So please, I'll also please I want you all to do something for me. If you really, really enjoyed this class, please send me your reviews. Send me your thoughts about the class. Please let me know if you learned something. This will help me improve in my teaching and in passing across this message effectively. So thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all for being here. Yes, thank you all so much. We already have about how many persons now? We already have about, yes, we have 12 persons now. So we have 8 more persons to go. So make sure you are part of those people, okay? And I can't wait to see you in the advanced group. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. Thank you. God bless you all. Good night. Thank you. Thank you all so much for joining. Thank you all. I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. Thank you. Bye.